Hi my friends, welcome to my channel. I am Valya, and in today's video I will show you which look I'm wearing, which is a very nice peachy soft glam look with very nice orange, peach, yellow champagne color for the eyes and a very nice brown eyeliner and the classic orange lipstick for my lips. So if you want to show to you how I created that look, let's get into this video to show you how I did it. I have done my brows as always with my Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim defining pencil in the shade medium brown, which is this, and with that pencil, as you see, it is very thin, I will define my eyebrows very precisely, and this is its spoolie. I have cleaned up my eyebrows with my cyan concealer high coverage, and this is it. And now I'm going to prepare my lids. I will use this fluffy big brush and my Iman of Noble 9 color concealer palette, which is one of my favorite palettes for contouring, bronzer and concealer. And I'm taking on the edge the lightest color to prepare my lid. After I have prepared my lid, I'm going to continue to do my eyes. For today I will use my lovely 2-in-1 eyeshadow and highlighter 7 Cool palette, which is this, and has very nice at the beginning silvery shadows, but for today I will use these three, which are very nice earthy peach shadows. I will do for you a Peachy Soft Glam look today, peach eyes and coral orange lips. And I will take this flat brush and the first light nude peach color to do my crease. This palette is one of my favorites, and I have it in another color, of course, in purple blue. And I will do with that light color my crease. Very nice Peachy Soft Glam look, which is very suitable for spring and for, I think, for the most of the skin type. If you are dark, if you are nude, if you are medium color, it suits to almost everyone. I'm continuing with another flat, bigger brush, this, and I'm taking on the edge the same color, one to undertone darker, and with that color I will do my outer corner. Very nice peachy color. Always I'm telling you, and I will continue to tell you, that all the earthy undertone colors suit to almost all the skin types, dark, medium, light colors, and almost and all the 80s boys, girls, each person, each personality, and suits to almost all the outfits. Because blue, pink, purple, fuchsia colors, they're a little difficult to combine with your outfit, your personality, etc. And I'm turning it up on the inner edge, gold. Very nice this color, I really love that color. I'm taking, where is, my Tommy T blending brush to soft the edge. And I will continue with my inner side, inner lid, and I will apply one lightest nude yellow peach color, shimmery color, from the Scanlon Color Designer Eyeshadow Palette 03, and I will take that shimmery yellow color to do my inner lid. Today I will not cut my crease, I will do a more simple, quick and soft look. I do cut crease when I want to do a very intense look. For today I want to keep it in quiet tones. Of course, this is a look that you can wear from morning till evening. It's not very full from evening big glam look. It's morning, noon, afternoon, and it suits almost all your outfit. I will apply what highlighter now. I will apply what highlighter? Yes. I will apply my 7 Cool Shimmer Illuminating Powder, which is this, and has very nice nude, purple, deep purple, medium purple highlighters, and my eyebrow 103. I will take the lightest nude with this light orange. I will take both of them to apply under my brow bone before I continue with my other eye. Yes, it's the most suitable color, I have to say. The most suitable color. In my real life, I have to tell you that almost when I go out morning, even after gym, for all my daily works, I use these colors. The peach color. I love in pink, but pink I don't wear it very much. If I want to go something and I will have to do myself in 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 1/4, 20 minutes, I use only anti-undertone color when I'm in a hurry. And I'm going to continue with the same way to my other eye, the same color. Just a little coffee while I work, always. Today is a raining day here and we have about 16, 17 degrees. It's not cold, but I don't like raining. Of course, it don't rain very much. We're at the end of the winter, but I really don't like the winter. We don't have some much winter here. I have to tell you that I have seen snow in my life only twice, and it was twice or 3 times, I think, not more. Here in my country, in my town, we have rain. Sometimes we have much rain. Today, no. But I don't like rain. I want always to do here quickly in the summer. And continue with the same way to the other eye. I'm going to continue with my Tommy D Precision Eyeliner Chocolate Brown, and this is it. I could wear black as I am wearing in the most of my look, but on this look, because I want to keep it in soft look, easy look, I will apply brown color. And of course, going to continue with my false lashes, my 6D Mink Natural eyelashes from the brand family, and these are they. And of course, going to continue to prepare the rest of my face. For today, I will use my MUA Makeup Academy Pro Base Oil-Free Primer, and this is it, a water-based and silicone-free moisturizing primer, which I'm gonna warm on my finger, the first, and I will apply on all the face. Then I will continue to apply my 2 favorite foundations, my Ultra's Complete Cover and my Mia Forever Lasting Performance Milano. And I will use my new Golden Rose big brush foundation brush and taking the product to apply on all the face. Continue with my classic Fit Me Maybelline the shade 20. Apply under my eye, on the edges, some on the inner corner, some on the outer corner, some dots on the nose, between my brows, and 2 lines near to my mouth. And of course applying with my beauty blender as always. Continuing with my Iman of Noble concealer palette as always, to contour, to apply some bronzer, and my kabuki brush, and this is it, and this is my concealer contouring palette, and applying some of that on my cheeks, of course. I always love, lately I discovered cream products because I always use previous products that they were powdery, blush and contouring, bronzer, but I think in this cream product give to the every skin, every face, gives very much healthy like skin tone. And on the chin, of course. And some of that I apply on my nose to define a little my nose. Taking my two blushes by MUA, liquid blushes. The watermelon, which is a little darker, and the minty rose, and I combine the two of them. I put it right away on my cheek, the product. And I will take my beauty blender, wet or wet, to apply the product on my cheek. I really loved, adore that creamy product. Very nice product. They give me the option of the health, and I will give some a little touch of the watermelon with a little undertone darker, but I will apply from that just a little of that. One dot here, one dot, two dot here, not much more. And apply it with the same way, because a little darker but very spring summer color. Always apply this product with beauty blender. Of course, you can apply with some suitable tools, brushes, but I prefer the beauty blender to apply the cream product. After that, I'm going to move to my highlighters. For today, I will use my glitter pudding highlighter in the shade Golden Glow, and this is a very nice pink gold creamy pudding color. I'm taking with my middle finger and apply it on what a pink gold highlighting product. Very tiny, very tiny, and I like the look, the tiny look. And a little on my nose and my cupid's bow. Of course, after that product, I'm going to set up my face with powders, of course. I'm gonna take this brush and my Sabrina Rudnick Cosmetics pressed powder, and I will set up my under eye. Then I will take my eyebrow loose powder, and I will set up the whole of my face with my eyebrow level, taking the matte product. As I have told you many times, I apply a few powder on the whole of my face to set up, because I'm gonna do a little bake later. I always do baking when I want to do a photo shoot, a photograph in my client, when I go to make up a client for a special event, a wedding, birthday. I always do for the photograph the baking, and on my self, of course. Now I'm going to continue with my Wet n Wild Palm Beach Red Color Icon Bronzer, and this is it. And I will take my eyebrow 11, of course. I always put end powdery product over my cream product. Taking my Shine Highlight Powder Rouge in the shade 10 Secret Love It, which is a very nice peach blush. suitable for that look. And over that, I will apply my Wet n Wild Blossom Glow highlighting powder and my eyebrow 105 over my cheeks, on my nose, on my temple, and on my cupid bow. Now I'm gonna take my eyebrow 11, I'm taking my eyebrow transparent powder with the same poof, and I will do the bake. I will apply the powder under my eye and near to my nose, and I will leave it until I will finish my under eye. And under my bronzer area, I will apply the product. On my chin, of course, because I want a matte result. I will leave it for some few minutes until I will finish my eye, and then I dust off. The same colors we applied above, we apply on the bottom area of the eye. Of course, I have applied my Letizia Well black eyeliner on my inner waterline. I will continue with my new Maybelline The Colossal Curl Bounce Mascara, very black, which I have reviewed for you in my previous video, which is very nice, and I will apply on my lashes and a few on my bottom lashes. As we have told many times, we don't need matte mascara on the bottom lash because it's gonna pull down all our eye look. 2, 3, 4 coats on the upper lash only, on the down lash only one. It's a very nice mascara. Now I'm going to dust off the excess of the powder. You don't need much time to apply the excess of the powder. And of course, ending up with the lip liner, the lipstick. For today I will use my Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Willow, and this is it, the classic nude orange lip liner that I use many times. And of course, I will end up with my Sabrina Rudnick Cosmetics, the lipstick 59 Farb, and this is the classic orange lipstick. What a nice color, do you see? The classic orange lipstick. And of course, I have to end up with my fixing spray. For today, I will use my I Heart Revolution fixing spray, Peaches and Cream, and this is it, which has a very nice peach smell. You have to keep the fixing spray about 20 centimeters to your face, not so much near to your face to do the perfect result. And of course, close your eyes. So my friends, this was my recommendation for you for today. This is my Peachy Soft Glam look with orange coral lips. I think it's very suitable for the most of us person and for that season, the spring. So, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned to see the new videos I'm gonna upload. Love you!